2 cups of sugar, 2/3 of a cup of Karo syrup, and 1/2 cup of water. Stir until it's combined without the heat. Make sure when using a candy thermometer that it is not touching the bottom of your pan. Without stirring, we're going to bring the temperature up to 300 degrees, hard crack. Then you're going to turn the heat off, remove the pan from the burner, wait until the bubbles cool, add your food coloring, and stir until well combined. Then you're going to pour out onto your parchment paper or onto your silicone mat.
This is what it looks like at 220 degrees. Kind of milky white. Here we have the apple flavor, malic acid and citric acid to make it sour, and then the green food coloring. That'll go in when the temperature of the sugar has come down to about 275 degrees. We're at 295. We're about to stir in the color. Okay, we're at 300. We'll shut off the flame, move the top off the heat, put the color in, and stir a little bit. Not fast, but you want to get, you want to get all this color in and get it mixed in. Otherwise, you're going to get splotchiness. Now, what happens if you put the other stuff in too soon?
It destroys the flavor.
So we're going to put this in. Pull the thermometer out so we can stir. Now we're going to get the flavor in here. We're going to stir and we're going to mix it all up. And we're going to pour it out on parchment paper, a cookie sheet with sides, because you don't want it to drip off the edge. Get everything out of the pot you're going to get, because as soon as it cools down, it'll be like a rock. Now we're going to tilt the cookie sheet, try to even it out. Try to get a uniform thickness. And now we wait.